my channel. My name is Maddie, and in this video I'm going to analyze and I guess react to the people, to the celebrities that are going to be in the Traitors season 2 of Celebrity UK. First of all, let's start with the fact that my favorite season through the whole world is Traitors UK. Now, of course, I have not watched every version of the Traitors, but yeah, I just love season 4 of Traitors UK, this is a civilian version. I like mainly no spoilers. I just liked the winner. Let's say I just liked winners, and yeah, I just love the ending, the way it ended, everything about it. And of course, I also loved the Celebrity season 1. I guess I have to say, spoiler alert if anyone have not watched it yet, but Alan won it. Like the way the fact that he won it, like even he didn't believe it. I still I don't know how he won it. Like he he couldn't even say that he's a faithful without laughing his ass off. I guess it's just a bit sad that he couldn't win it with Cat, but yeah, very good season. And I just love these are like actual celebrities, not like the US version where it's just just fighting for to have more screen time. The game aspect of it is just not there in the US version. And yeah, but in the celebrity version, like they clearly wanted to play the game. Like clearly they were there, they know the rules, they are there to play the game, and I just love it. So yeah, first let's just see this cast, because okay, I have to say that I did see some of the cast names that are going to be there, but there are some people there that I actually have no idea who are they, or maybe I have heard their name but I don't actually know who they are. So yeah, let's just find out together like who are they and what's their thing, I guess. So let's see. Okay, so the first name that I'm seeing is Amol Rajan, and he's a Indian British journalist. Okay, never heard about from him. Okay, actually, have I seen him somewhere? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. I have seen him anywhere. Amol Rajan. Let's see if he was any like shows or TV series. Okay, let's see that. Okay, so he's mainly a journalist. Okay, he's not a. Okay, so he formerly the editor of BBC News. Okay, so mainly he works behind the scenes. Yeah, like he was a writer. He's a writer, broadcaster. Okay, so he's not actually like like a actor, but maybe he's popular in UK. I don't know, but okay. Okay, so yeah, I like it. Like I'm pretty sure there are other actors there's going to be there. So he's clearly some different from them, which is good. Like difference is good. Like it's going to be good if there is some difference of opinion. So yeah. Okay, let's see the next name. Okay, Bella Ramsey. I think everyone knows who Bella Ramsey is. Like yeah, she became much more famous by them. I think they're I think their pronouns is they them. So yeah, I think they became more famous by playing in Last of Us, because I think before that they played in Game of Thrones. Yeah. I never watched Game of Thrones, but yeah, this is the one where they become very famous. And yeah, I love Last of Us. I think there is going to be new season that is in production, I think. So we'll see how that is going to be, because I heard that the season 2 of Last of Us was actually good and I haven't actually seen it yet. So yeah, looking forward to the season 3. And I don't think I need to search for them much, because we know most of the people knows who they are. But if people doesn't know it, let's just check it out. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Okay, it's the new look. Oh, I love that hairstyle actually. Okay, I like it. And yeah, they are an English actor. They're known for their breakthrough. Yep, Game of Thrones, Lyanna Mormont and Ellie in the post. Okay. Yeah, but I like that new haircut actually. Okay, so let's see the next person who is that, and of course they are an actor, so they clearly are a celebrity. So let's see who the other person is. James Acaster. Before I go to actually James Acaster, I have to say, like, Bella Ramsey, like they are clearly an actor, like a big actor, like, or like, upcoming actor. The fact that they are in Traitors, like the fact that UK Traitors is so good, like the Traitors itself is so good that this kind of celebrity is actually playing in a just in a game show. Like I don't think we've ever seen in a whole world where like a simple game show is being like the contestants are this much caliber. Like I have heard, like I've seen the other actors who are like the other celebrities who's going to be there, so it's just crazy how good and famous Traitors are. And I love Traitors, specifically UK one. So yeah, let's talk about James Acaster. Of course, I have known him mainly because of Taskmaster. He was in early season of Taskmaster. I don't remember, but he's clearly a comedian, James Acaster. But let's let's see more about him. So yeah, James Acaster is a comedian, a presenter. Like what is his roles? Like he went what? Let's see what is like. Was he in any movies or anything? Early life, the career, Edinburgh, return to. Okay, did he play in any movies? That's the thing. Like I know that UK there are panel shows for comedians. Like Would I Lie to You? Yeah, I've heard of that. Like big fat quiz of the year. Yeah, I heard about that. Okay, so he's in series 7, Taskmaster. Yeah. Okay, so was he in any TV series? Okay, hypothetical panel. Okay, no, it's a panel show. Okay, so yeah, he appeared in game shows, but I don't think he mainly appeared in any. Okay, so he did play in some movies, but clearly not a important one, I guess. But like mainly he's an comedian, and yeah, it's a good one. Okay, okay, so let's see who's the next contestant is. Oh, James Blunt. Yeah, I think he's a singer and I love his song. I think I forgot his name, forgot the song's name, but I think I forgot the song name. Okay, I'm going to search to it, but yeah, like actually I know him only by that song only. But yeah, I think he's a big one. Like, I mean, of course, most of the people I don't think know him. Like, if people don't actually maybe listen to music, but beautiful, yeah, you are beautiful. That's the song, and I think it's pretty popular actually. So maybe he's known there. Like, I'm pretty sure UK people knows them, but outside of that, I don't know how much people knows about him because I myself only knows about him because of his song, "You Are Beautiful." Okay, then in the aftermath also. Oh, okay. So he's also was a army captain. Oh, I didn't know about that. That's wow. Okay, that's pretty good. Yeah, I would say he's pretty popular. Yeah. Okay, that's a good celebrity, I would say, because I don't think people like that just show up in any show. So yeah, pretty good. Okay, let's see who's the next person is. JD Hall. Okay. Now this is the first person that I have. No, actually, this is the second person that I have no idea who she is. Like, first one was Amol, and this is the second one, JD Hall. I don't know how famous she is. Okay. Oh, she's an actress. Okay, okay. She's a Batman actress. Okay, let's. I have no idea who she is, so let's see. Okay, let's go to the Wikipedia. I think. Okay, so she clearly was a good actress, pretty popular actress. I think before, like a lot of years ago, maybe. Okay, let's see. Is she English? Okay, she is English. Like I mean, she was okay. So she was born in Texas, but her ancestry, I guess. I mean, most of the white people in US will be having English DNA. But okay, okay. But she is an American model and actress. Okay, so but she's an American though. Okay, but she's playing. like she's going to be in the show. I mean, of course she's not going to be in the American one where most of them are like reality stars, so makes sense why she would be in here. Okay, I have no idea who she was before this. Okay, never heard of her. Okay, not so much. Okay, Strictly Come Dancing. Oh, this is, she's a contestant. Okay, okay, yeah, Vampires in Brooklyn. Okay, so maybe not so popular because I have not heard any of these movies, of course, except Batman. But I have no idea who she was. Okay, good to know her. Good to know some new people there. Okay, okay. Let's see the next person. Joanna McNally. The only reason that I know her is, of course, through Taskmaster, and she was funny. Like she was quite punchy and like a fisty, but yeah, she clearly was there to play the game, and I think she would play the game in Traitors. Like in Taskmaster, it's pretty chill. Like yeah, you are playing a game, but still it's pretty chill. Like yeah, have fun. But this is, of course, they're going to have fun, but this is pretty serious. Like it's pretty mind social and like everything. Like you have to be socially good, but also strategically good also. So yeah, we'll see how she does. I'm pretty excited how she does, like how she behaves. Irish comedian. Yeah, writer actress. Okay, so she is a co-host for RT. I think RT is a like their news channel. I think RT, or maybe popular channel where most of them are shown. Yeah, I don't think she played in any movies, or maybe she did. I don't know, but I think yeah, yeah. So mainly she's a comedian, and I'm looking forward to her. Joe Lissette, yeah, another of the Taskmaster alumni. Joe Lissette, I know Joe Lissette is a comedian, but let's see if Joe was in any movies or TV shows. Let's see. Yeah, TV show host is Taskmaster. He has appeared in many TV shows. Okay, let's check if he was in any movies. Stage, television. Of course, these things are like every comedian in UK is gonna be in there. Like any popular UK. Okay. RuPaul's Drag Race. Okay. Was he in any? No. Yeah. I'm looking forward to him. How he's going to play, because he's quite eccentric, like the way he thinks things. It's gonna be it's gonna be interesting how he handle things here. Okay, let's talk about Julie Hesmontalk. Okay, I'm probably butchering her last name, but and this is the third person that I have no idea who she is. So let's check her out. Okay, so she's of course an actress. I mean, she could have been a comedian, but okay. She's a narrator, an actress. Oh, okay. So I think she's mostly UK's like TV shows and things, because I have never seen her. Like Coronation Street, I've heard of her. Coronation Street. You and Me, yeah. Okay, she's British soap awards. Like yeah, so clearly she does like TV shows. Okay, okay. Funny. How do you pronounce Julie? It's in. Okay, that's funny. I guess people really are searching about her, maybe, or people really wants to know how her last name is, pronounced. Okay, I will figure it out how it's pronounced, of course. Looking forward to her, how she's gonna play. Like I just love this new people thing, because I have no idea who they are, and I'm going to love how they play the game. And of course, there are some people that I know, and I'm going to love how they play the game. So yeah, let's talk about the next person, who is, yeah, no idea. Okay, clearly a boxer, content creator. I have no idea who he is. How old he is? Okay, so he's a YouTuber. Okay, so he's an YouTuber account. It's considered mainly of prank videos. Join the Italy. Okay, so he was in. Okay, so he appeared as a Big Brother 2020, 2013. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so he's a YouTuber mainly. So why was he shown, with him as a boxer? Okay, so he's also a trained boxer in completed in bouts. Okay. Okay, but mainly I think he's known for his like social media personality. Okay, okay, okay. I've never heard of him. And in the first series, we did saw like a sports person, Joe, I think his name, rugby player. So he's kind of a sports person too. I hope we see a woman football player in here. I am looking forward to them theaters doing it. Like, come on, theaters, do it. What are you waiting for? But yeah, okay. So we'll see what his personality is going to be. By I mean, he does vlogs and prank videos, so he's gonna bring some entertainment in this show. Like, of course, others are too, but yeah, we'll see how he's gonna go do. Let's check the next person. Yeah, Lian Pinnock. Know her, of course. She's Little Mix singer. I have no idea. Did they disbanded like the Little Mix? I don't think I've heard them, speaking like releasing album together. So I think they have split up. Is she performing anything? Yeah, she rose to fame as a member of the girl group. What form? Bruna is a singer. Is she doing okay? So I think she's taking a break right now, maybe. But yeah, okay. Of course, I know her. She's one of those Little Mix singers. Okay. Okay, we'll see. We'll see how she does. Like, it's crazy the amount of people that we would have not seen in a like a simple game show, and we are seeing them in. I just love to know how they're going to react, like how they're going to act here. Like, are they going to be silly, or are they going to be game focused and also be silly, but also be like I know what I'm going to do. Yeah, looking forward to it. Okay, let's see the next person, Maya Jama, Love Island UK host. I don't watch Love Island. I have no idea who she is, so let's find out who she is. Is she an actress before this, or she's a presenter, radio DJ? Did she play in any actress? Like, she's a actress or born in Bristol? Okay. Okay, so she's an actress, but not so popular, I guess, because not so much roles are given here. But so she was a DJ host, and of course, now she's okay. So right now she's a one second. Is she in Masked Singer too? She's a host too. Wow. Okay, good for her. Okay, we'll see how she does. I have no idea how she's gonna perform here, or what her personality is, but looking forward to it. Let's check out the next person, who is Michael Sheen. Yeah, of course, he's an actor. Like him and the US Status host, like though both those two, I sometimes get confused. Like who is who? Because their face is kind of same. Like, of course, now I know, especially after like US Status him hosting that, but yeah, let's check him out. Like, what his career is. Like, I don't actually know that much of his career, so okay. So he's an Welsh actor. Let's see his history of acting. Underworld, Passengers. I'm just trying to think where I've seen him. Oh yeah, Twilight. That's the one. That's the one. Yeah, that's where I think I know him from Twilight. Okay, looking forward to it. As I said, like, these are some popular actors that Traders UK has gotten here. Hmm. Good for them. Okay, let's check out. Okay, I'm going to say it. I actually heard her name before. I don't know where or how. Like, before I know, like, she's going to be here, I heard her name somewhere. Like, okay, so she's a writer. Okay, but I don't know. Like clearly she has written some popular like book. That's how I know her before I even like I heard her name. Is she? I'm going to predict that maybe she's the writer of Hunger Games. Maybe. Let's see. I could be wrong, of course. She's a. Oh, okay. So she's an actress. Then how did I know her name then? She clearly is not that much of a like a big actress. Or is she? Like I did heard. Okay. Maybe okay. Well, I saw the writer there, and I thought she was some kind of actually a big writer. Okay, so she was not a big writer. She's mainly an actress, and I think she's a popular actress in UK maybe. So that's how maybe I. That is interesting, but that how I heard about her. But maybe I have watched some of the BAFTA nomination because she is the one. She was in 4 British awards and BAFTA nomination. So yeah, maybe in there. Did I know any of her books? No. Okay, yeah. I was completely wrong, but okay, so she's an actress, and that's how she got cast in here. Okay. Like I said, I have no idea what are these people's personality are, so it's definitely going to come out, especially the people who are going to be at the later stages of this game. Their personality is definitely going to come out. So looking forward to that. Okay. Let's see. My Hala. I don't know how to spell her name, but of course I know her. Like she's an actress, but is she an English actress? Because I mean I don't know. But let's see. Or is she just cast? Doesn't matter who she is. Okay, she's an American. Oh, okay. Okay, so she is an American actress, but of course it doesn't matter if because UK Traders is pretty good. So yeah, so no wonders that she's here. Okay, so yeah, like some of her roles, I don't know most of her. Like I know that she is in industry. I don't know if it's still going the show, but yeah, okay, bodies. Let's check out the next person, Professor Hannah Fry. I have only seen her actually in one like Taskmaster. I think she was in a like a New Year Taskmaster thing, and she's clearly pretty knowledgeable. And I actually love her personality there, like the way she was like talking, like she was clearly having fun and also like having the knowledge of many things. Okay, she's a British mathematician, broadcaster, author. I think she's pretty popular in UK. Like even I heard about her before I even actually I or maybe I after I saw the Taskmaster. I think I saw one of her. I think Discovery or anything like whatever she walks on. I think I've seen her there. So yeah, I think she's pretty popular in UK. Let's check out her like some kind of history first. Yeah, she's a British mathematician, author. Like wow, the fact that she's a mathematician, but how did she become so popular as a broadcaster? Like how did the change happen? I would love to know her whole story. Like let's see if she was in any actor career research. Okay, senior lecturer, she's elected as a fellow. Then how did she become so popular? Like she presenting in television, stand-up comedy, even performing stand-up comedy. Okay, actually that's how. Oh, so that's how like she performed stand-up comedy, and that's how like her presence became more mainstream. Okay, of course you have to have that personality that to be able to be be loved by others and be shown as personality, I guess. Okay, so okay, I don't think she's in any movies, I think, but yeah, she's pretty popular. Good for her. Okay, okay, I just love it that she's here. Actually, she's one of those people that I'm actually pretty excited that she's here. I would love how she would approach it. People are thinking, I think in like Reddit, people are saying like she could be a traitor. Either she's going to be voted out soon or she's going to be a traitor. I don't know what I would want from her. I just hope that she's going to be here for like as long as she can. That's what my hope is. Richard Grant. Wow. Richard Grant is in here. Of course I know him. He's one of the popular he's one of those popular actor in UK or like in the world. Richard Grant, yeah. Wow, he's in here. Like wow, like it's clearly very popular. If like the caliber of actors, like celebrities that Tutors UK is getting is crazy, crazy. Yeah, like let's see one of his roles, many roles. He was in Game of Thrones, of course. Can you forgive me? I have no idea, but I know he was in, I think, Queen also. Patches. Like, he's clearly has been here for a long time, like in the acting business. Wow. Oof. I think it's gonna be entertaining how he's going to approach this. Damn. Love it. Love it. Okay. Let's see the next person. Rob Beckett. Yeah. Taskmaster. Taskmaster, know him, of course. Rob Beckett. He's a comedian. He's definitely gonna bring energy. He's like has this awkward type energy, but funny energy. I don't know if he won that like series or not, but yeah, he's that awkward little guy, but funny energy. Okay, yeah. Looking forward to how he does here. Like I'm pretty sure he will bring his awkward energy in this season too. Like I'm pretty sure he's gonna be one of those, like he's gonna be very happy to like just be in here. Yeah, very good, very good. Another one of Taskmaster comedians. I'm just seeing like there is so much Taskmaster like contestants in here. Like it's crazy. Like and there's lots of comedians in this series actually. Wow, pretty good. Like clearly the celebrity version of the UK series of Traitors is gonna be like, a bit comedian heavy, I think. But we'll see how it goes. Yeah, he's clearly British comedian, actor, and yeah, Taskmaster, of course. I'm seeing, yeah, I think he does a podcast too for Traitors. Yeah, one thing. I think he does that. I did that podcast for the Traitors season 4 civilian version where he was like asking the winners how is it or how things are going. Okay, yes, he love to present for the Traitors and also going to be in Traitors. I mean that means he will have some knowledge about how the Traitors works maybe, or how he's gonna be like he clearly going to have much more information because he's gonna have some connection with the previous players, so at least that. So we'll see how he does there. If he doesn't do good, he should be disappointed. Like, okay, Roskim, nah, I don't think I know him. So he's one of those persons that I have no idea who he is. Let's see, he's an actor. Okay, yeah, he definitely didn't look like a comedian. I don't know if it's a good thing or not, but yeah. He's an actor, television presenter. Okay, he's a reporter. So why does he say actor there? Okay. Oh, he's also an actor. I think he's popular maybe in there, like in UK maybe, because I have no idea who he is. EastEnders. I know EastEnders is pretty popular in UK, so maybe that's what it is. So mainly he's a actor previously, but I don't think he does much acting nowadays. Maybe like author, reporter, television presenter, but we will see what his personality is in here. I have no idea what to say about him because I have no idea who he is. But looking forward to it, of course. Like people have chose them, like the Traitors people UK have chose them because of some reason. So we'll see. Sebastian Croft. Okay, I know that he's an actor. Yeah, Heartstopper. I think he got famous for that from that movie. Is he been in movie before after that? How to Date? Okay, yeah, okay, he was in Game of Thrones. Okay, I mean I have not seen Game of Thrones, so I have no idea. Okay, so yeah, okay, so I mainly know him from Heartstopper, but I mean I have not seen Heartstopper, but it's just, yeah, I've seen the clips of him being in there. So okay, so he's from there. Okay, let's see. We'll see how he does. Sharon Rooney, actress, Barbie actress. Okay, maybe I've seen her face somewhere, maybe, but I have no idea who she is. Okay, let's see. She's a Scottish actress from Glasgow. She's an actress. What's her roles like? Dumbo, lawyer, Barbie in the 2002. Okay, she was in Barbie. Good for her. I Okay, I've seen Barbie, so I mean there are lots of people in Barbie, so no wonder I didn't notice her. Now I would definitely notice her. Okay, her name is Sharon Rooney. Okay, I don't know if she's that much of a popular actress or not, but good to hear from her, and we'll see how she does in this series. Okay, let's see the next person. Oh, this is last 21. 21. Let's okay, 21 people. Odd number. Is one of them going to be removed, or is one of them suddenly is going to be arriving? I don't know. Clearly, it's going to be 21 contestant season. Of course, we don't know if someone is gonna join later, like maybe three later, like 3 episodes in. Because I'm pretty sure they're not going to just eliminate one of them without like one episode in them. Like they have paid some big money to these celebrities to arrive and play in the theaters. So yeah, so could be like a one person maybe join later, or maybe it is a 21 odd season, but I don't remember how much. Okay, let's check out actually. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, so the previous one actually 19th contestant was there. Okay, so they are known for odd season, like odd contestant seasons. Okay, then that's okay. Then it's probably no one going to join. People are speculating that Bob Mortimer is gonna join, like even in the first series, celebrity version. Like people are saying maybe he's gonna be there, and even in this series, people are thinking that maybe he's gonna be there, but I don't think he's gonna be there. Maybe like why are the people so much wants him in a theater season? Like maybe he's very famous and very funny. I guess maybe that's why. Because I have seen him in Taskmaster, and yeah, I mean he was funny, but so was the other people around him. So he was not that big of a deal. But maybe he's has done other things that people find very good. So I don't think, at least I don't think he's gonna be in this series, because he's gonna be one of those people. Then yeah, maybe next series, because I think this theaters series is gonna be going for a long time. So maybe next series he's gonna be there. But as I said, I'm really looking forward to it. I just love the way that what's gonna happen, the thinking of what's gonna happen, like mainly the way that some of the actors are going to behave, like some of those popular, like some of those people that I've seen known, like Bella Ramsey, Michael Sheen, then Hannah Fry, Richard Grant. Like how are they gonna behave? Because like yeah, some of those content, like some of those comedians, I've seen them how they are going to react, like how they're going to react, because they were in Taskmaster. And of course Taskmaster is not that much of a serious, I guess, strategy wise, but still I've seen their personality there. But the other people, like the famous actors, celebrity them, like I have no idea who are they are actually as a people. So we'll see some of that, of course, in this series. And I think they are going right now to film. I don't think they are filmed yet, because the last season, like the first season, aired I think in November or December time, and then the civilian version was on from I think January. So yeah, they are filming right now. I then think then the next filming is going to be I think US civilian version, because that's the new one that they are producing. And then of course the, I guess, the normal ones, like the UK civilian and the US celebrity. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. I can't wait for traitors UK in general. And it doesn't matter if it's like our normal version is or a celebrity version is. And of course I just love Claudia Winkleman. Like she is my favorite host along all of those series that I've seen. Like I have seen some like a non-English version, like Netherlands, Sweden, French. I've seen those, but she's my favorite. And yeah, just looking forward to her and the contestants, how they're going to play. So yeah, comment on my video. What do you think about some of those contestants? Do you like it, or do you think that these are not actually that famous and you would have liked some other people? Yeah, comment that on my video. But that's it for this video. If you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time.